Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have a fun new release from Planything. There's lots of items being released today, some new items. It's like some new product items that I'm excited to see. So yeah, I'm gonna flip through everything and then I'm going to do a little plan with me featuring some of the items in this release. If you're interested in purchasing, I will have my affiliate link down in the description with a discount code, so definitely check that out if you would like to purchase from this awesome new release. I'm usually like not a fan of summer, like personally weather-wise, but I really love a good like summer spread, so I'm excited for some new summer stickers to use in my planner. So first up, we have all this washi. I love Planything washi because she does a really good job of picking neutral patterns, but like with color, because I feel like I'm more like black and white, but I love having like this wide variety of color to put into spreads, especially again for like some summer spreads and all that. So we have some grid washi right here, which she's come out with in the past. I have tons of this grid washi, love using this in spreads. We have some pinks and oranges and greens, and I have them all swatched, so that way you can see them in a little bit better. But we have some grid, nice variety there. This like honeycomb one, which she started coming out with recently. So we have 4 colors in that pattern. There's this one, which is kind of hard to see, but it's like a little squiggly, kind of reminds me of waves. So we have this pretty like ocean blue one. Then we have some striped ones, and then this one, I'm really excited about this one. These fun scallop ones, these are really cute. So these are going to be also released. Again, tons of washi that is going to be released, and here are all of the swatches. So here are the scallop ones, some pretty fun summery colors. Here's that one I was talking about that has, looks like little waves, and then the honeycomb hexagon ones right here. These striped ones are 2 different thicknesses of the stripes. This one's a little bit thinner, this one's a little bit thicker. And then here are all the grid washis. So yeah, that's all the washi. Again, lots of washi, but a very nice variety. So can't wait to use that in a spread. Okay, next up we have, I'm just gonna pull from this stack right here, because we have some fun items. You can buy a planner cover. This is, I think this is A5, A5 planner. So Planything did come out with a planner recently, and it's a really nice size. It's like right in between a mini and a classic size if you use a happy planner. So we have some summer covers, which I love changing out my planners, or changing out seasonal things in my planner. So if you like doing the same, this one's a cute one to grab for your summer planner setup. So we have summer on the front with all the summer things, a couple of girls on the front, and then the inside has some fun like food summer items here. Some ice creams, watermelon, pineapple, and some fun drinks. And then on the back it has a bunch of the girls, and then Planything on the bottom. Okay, so that is the planner cover. And then also there are some dividers, 3 dividers that you can add in here if you wanted to make maybe like a notebook, or also use this other item I'm about to show to make your own like daily planner. You can do that, you just got to get some discs, which I think Planything sells discs. I just don't know if they're still available. But if you're like me, you probably have a bunch of discs on hand. So here is the first divider. It says summer with all the girls at the pool. And then the inside cover. Next divider, hello summer. We got some palm trees, and then here's the last one. I like the sunglasses, the view on the sunglasses. And we got some lemons on the inside. So again, you can use this to make your own like little notebook or daily planner with these sheets right here, which are going to be released. So these are some daily sheets. You can circle the day of the week and then put the date, and you have a nice little checklist, and then some dotted lines here, and then a blank section here. And then on the back, it's the same thing. So it's just a nice stack of daily sheets that you can put into this planner setup and make your own little summer daily sheet planner. And then you can also include this really fun paper into here too if you need some extra space for writing. Look how cute this is with the decor on the bottom. And then look how pretty that is with the girls on the back. Okay, so that's fun paper. Again, you can add it into your little planner and you have a special little summer planner or notebook for the season. All right, and now I have 2 new sticker books to flip through. We have Lovely Summer. This one looks super adorable and has a lot of the artwork that you've already seen on the items I just showed. And then we have Tropical Beach, which I think is like because these look familiar, this is like a redone version of this book that came out, I think last year or the year before. But there's some new stickers in here, so I'm excited for that. So let's flip through the Tropical Beach first, since that one is a little bit more familiar from what I remember. All right, so yeah, Planything, Tropical Beach, and this is a 40 sheet sticker book. And here's the first page. I love these like images of the colors. So you got some summer stuff, some palm trees. The girls are really cute. So I think like these are the same girls from the previous book, but they look a little bit bigger, which I like. So those are cute. Some leaves. Oh yeah, these are really big. The florals. I love using these to make my own like floral clusters. Then we have the boxes, the functional page here. And some bullet points. Then we have these girls swinging on a swing. More florals. Some flamingos. And then we have shaded boxes, hexagons, and circles. I love these like beach scenes. Those are fun to use. I think I used like all of these from my previous book. Okay, then we have some like of the beach scenes here. Florals. And then the boxes. More corner florals. Those are really pretty. And then bouquets. And the shaded boxes. Oh, how cute are these? Okay, so this is new. Little banners. These are really tiny. Those are cool. And then we have washi stickers and then some shaded boxes, but more like functional ones. With lines and checklists and quotes. The beach is where I belong. Vacay vibes. 2 sheets like that. Positive vibes. Enjoy every moment. Love what you do. So 2 like that. All right, so that is Tropical Beach. Now let's get into Lovely Summer. This one looks super adorable. Okay, so we got the girls at the pool. Cute. Then some scenes, them hanging out. Very adorable. Some palm trees. That one in the martini class is cute. Ooh, I love these big images of the girls. Those are fun. We have some boxes. Fresh summer, hello summer, and then functional boxes. Oh, these are cute. Oh, we have some guys too. Nice. Little mix there. Okay. And these are like at the beach in their swimsuits. How cute is that? And I like the floaties. We have some summer items. All the summer things. Cute. This is fun. Can make a cute scene with that. And then the boxes. Ah, cute. The food trucks. I guess like the farmer's market maybe. Okay, more summer. Oh, the little kitties and dog. Cute. They're just like hanging out, having fun. Oh yeah, see? Now we get them in like little scenes. That's super cute. And then the boxes. Now into the quotes. Good times and tan lines, just another day in paradise. Meet me where the sky touched the sea. Love yourself, best day ever. The good life, stop wishing, start doing. Super cute. Okay, so that is Lovely Summer, and those are all the items that are going to be released today. Again, this will be linked down in my description if you're interested in purchasing. Now what I'm going to do is just do a quick little daily plan with me with this new daily sheet and then some new stickers. I'm going to try to incorporate some washi and just have fun with it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to grab the one sheet of this paper, and I want to use the scalloped washi because I think this one's a lot of fun, and I think I'll be able to fit washi up here. I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me decide first which sticker theme I'm going to use, because they're all super cute. So this one is so funny. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with the front one. I feel like this will be the easiest one. I'll just go with the already like made scenes. I don't need too much because this is just a little page here. So I think for this one, I'm gonna go with this pink one. This is a really nice pink. Okay, so I'm gonna get some washi up here. I think it'll fit. Yeah, it'll fit here. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut here and cut here. Okay, so you still circle that and then write the date here. And then I'm just going to put, sorry, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna put here. Put my washi, the pieces. And then I'm just gonna put, should I put it upside down? We'll do it this way, the opposite way. Oops. Okay, perfect. I like that a lot. All right, so let's add in a girl. I'm gonna do this girl with the palm tree. She's just hanging out on her towel, which is cute. So we'll put her here. Actually, let's put her here. Okay, that looks good there. Maybe we'll put like a chair next to her. Cool. And let me see the boxes. I think these are fun. I can use one of these. Let's do this Hello Summer, and then I'm gonna grab a box. Okay, actually, do I want to use these boxes? Let me see the other sections, the color schemes. I want to use this pink color. I'll put Hello Summer here. Maybe I could put something up here. So I have a little bit of space. Let's put this girl. I feel like she fits nicely up there. under. Okay, so still give space to write, so that's good. And I actually want to use some of the bullet points. Try to use maybe like a yellow. I'll use this yellow just for a different pop color over here. I'll do like some bullet points down this side. Okay, we'll just do those. And then I kind of want to get yellow over here on this side. So I'm just going to put a box here. And I feel like this is very empty. So I need to put something over here. Maybe kind of want to do like a box and a circle. Okay. Maybe these two together. Don't be afraid to cover things up, you know? Let's just cover these up. Oops. It's a little crooked. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it because it's still a little crooked, but that's okay. Alright, and then maybe like one more decorative thing. Oh, you know what? Maybe I can add like one of these ice creams. Or the lemon's cute. How cute is that? Okay, that's so fun. All right, and then let me do a quote maybe. Let's see which quote I can do. I don't have anything that can fit here. So let's do the good knife, maybe. And I feel like I need an orange something over here, so I want to see if I can find. Okay, I have an orange circle. Wait, let's pull from the other page. Okay, orange circle. Let's kind of have it coming off the page, and then I can cut it. Oops. Okay, cut this off. Cool. I think that's super cute. Okay, last thing I want to do. I feel like I should white out these two. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I think that's gonna be it. That's my little daily sheet. Like, look how adorable that is. And I would definitely want to write in that because that's fun. So yeah, that's super cute. I love that. So that is going to be it for this video. Again, these items are going to be available to purchase today. So if you're interested, make sure to check out that link down in the description. It's definitely a fun summer release. So excited to use more of this in the future. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.